So, hi everybody. This is my final project. Well, it's not final at all. This is still a creation work. There's a lot of things I haven't quite decided yet. Um, there's a lot of aspects that we've gone over this semester so far, like the online shop, where I'm not quite sure yet if I really want to sell anything. The idea sounds good, sounds possible, but certainly not at the moment. I've got enough on my plate with all my classes. I think you all understand that. Um, but I'm actually quite satisfied with how it's looking at the moment. So let's take a look around. Um, I'm started out. I've got a full width navigation with my logo up here. Brother Libet says that is a bit small, so I need to take a look at that. I've adapted the colors. These are the colors I want to use for my portfolio. This majestic purple with this yellow, so I've also then adapted the navigation bar to also have that color. Then I've got a full width slider showing just a couple different things, leading people to my portfolio. We'll be adding some pictures to that as I go along. Moving down, I have some samples from my portfolio as a gallery, showing some of the work I've done. I will be adding and adjusting to that as well as we go along. Moving down, I've got a blog slider. These are various things that I've written in the course of school so far. These are some of my Com 111 stories that I've written. And of course you can click on that and move on. Then I really just am at a loss for a lot of things as to what to put on my website, so I just kind of threw in some inspirational quotes, information about myself, and a newsletter subscription, and then my footer. Portfolio and blog. I actually don't really have anything in my portfolio just yet, as I need to go through all the stuff that I've created, and just decide what's going to go in there. So I was doing this here. I don't know why. I got to work on that still as well. Just like how it's adding the sidebar on the side, which I actually don't want. These are the individual posts. It's like the pages. I got rid of the sidebar on all of those. So the blog. I've got the two categories. I want to figure out how to put a title on each so people know this is my creative writing blog. This is my design blog. Both of them look actually the same. So I've got blog with the read more stories, and then going into the design block, it's the same. The shop. Again, it's this. I got to change that. I got that sidebar on the side. And then the contact. So like I said, it's and the contact. Sorry, my internet's really slow. Yeah. So like I said, it's still a work in progress. But I'm pretty satisfied with it. I've learned a lot in this course, especially working with the DV theme, and with WordPress in general. Old school, when I was self-employed, I sat there with Notepad open and literally just wrote the code myself, what I didn't understand. I searched in Google, and so working with these with these themes with WordPress just was really a change for me, and I'm really glad that I've had the opportunity to do this. I feel a lot more comfortable now than I did before. All right. Well, I hope you all have a successful rest of the semester and a lot of success in the future. All right. Bye.